In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to be cyborg in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The cyborg is one of the 3 races that you can unlock through a quest. So the special abilities allow you to fight and combo more effectively in close quarters combat by disabling instinct or by dealing extra damage and increasing turn on defense. This race is mainly used against teamers because of its ability to deal extremely effective wide area damage. So in order to get this, you will have to complete a certain quest. This puzzle quest is going to start in this location here. So I'm going to go over the entirety of the quest for you. First, you will need to obtain a Fist of Darkness. If you would like to see the specific location, I recommend checking the wiki, and in there you will also be able to see the steps again. So first, acquire the Fist of Darkness. Click on the button used to start an order raid to insert the Fist of Darkness into the machine while having nothing equipped. You will see a message telling you that your Fist of Darkness has been processed. Please supply a core brain to continue. Now, you can obtain a core brain. This is going to be the second part. For the core brain, this has a 5% chance of being dropped from the order raid boss. So keep defeating him until you acquire a core brain at 5% chance. Once this is done, you will be able to proceed. So now click on the button Use to start an order raid, this time with a core brain in your inventory. After you do this, a secret staircase is going to open and you will be able to purchase Cyborg for 2,500 fragments. So essentially, there are 3 main steps, and eventually you will be able to become a cyborg for 2,500 fragments. So go over and acquire Fist of Darkness, insert it where you start the order raid, and then you will have a 5% chance of acquiring the core brain from the order raid boss. After you do so, insert it there as well, and a secret staircase will open. I hope I was able to help you on how to be a cyborg in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.